Are you tired of feeling self-conscious in the bedroom? Want to give your partner the pleasure they deserve? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the top secrets that can help increase the size of your penis in just a matter of days. Dear friends, for more updates, videos and information, please subscribe and join to our family to support me, just like this video so that more people can see it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. I will give you an honest answer. We wish you good health and be happy. After seeing you, God bless you.